Good evening and welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone here is doing great. I'm doing great. I'm down at the Miners Marsh in Kentville and I just found a lifer, a Wilson's Phalarope. I actually got an email from eBird as soon as I got home from work and I saw that there was a sighting here this morning that he was actively feeding. So I came straight down to the marsh to see if I could find him, and oh yeah, I found him. Let's go.
But thank you for pointing out that Phalarope, because I
of course.
I from here just couldn't tell the difference.
He's right out here.
I don't think that off. Gypsy, can you stop that, please? You get all wound up.
Cool.
She doesn't take much to get her excited.
There's so many birds.
There's a lot of birds, yeah. I thought I had last night Pectoral Sandpiper.
That was reported on the same eBird email or same checklist as the guy that saw the Phalarope this morning. So I'm also looking for that, but
okay, then maybe I did. I haven't gone through my pictures.
Lots of ducks. Is that a dowitcher in there?
Water. I know we've had a lot of rain, but there's still something leaking. Oh, I know, that's never had that. Was filled up.
Yeah. There's a dowitcher right down here too.
Yes, I saw dowitchers yesterday, I was quite certain. And the domestic duck that was here is gone?
Yeah, I didn't post about it, but I saw it a couple days, like a week ago or so.
I saw it on the weekend, I think, but I didn't see it yesterday.
That's right, yeah, it was last weekend. That's not the one that just passed, but I saw it the weekend before. Yeah. Little finch in the trees. Eating the bushes.
Yeah, it's hard. We need a big giant whippersnipper.
Bunch of ducks over there.
And about 12 muskrats to eat them. Yeah. Well, there's probably a few, but I would say some of them would go.
Lots more birds over on this side. Another yellow legs feeding. That's another dowitcher with the yellow legs on the left.
Going down 13 tonight here.
Oh yeah, that was cool, eh? I'm stoked. Great lifer to find here at Miners Marsh. I'm just gonna do a quick walk around the area and see if I see anything else, but I'm pretty happy with that. I gotta get home and get something to eat, but let's go. I'm on the far side of the pond and you can't really see in very well, but there's so many shorebirds, probably yellow legs, grouped up. Like, you see that? Oh yeah, I can kind of see from here. That's the group of them. And then up further, lots of ducks. I think those are all mallards or black ducks, but I'll have a closer look back home.
Pectoral is this one. Not great image, it's a long way away. But it's got much stronger streaking on the neck.
Yeah, okay.
And then it ends with a really abrupt stripe across the front if you're looking at it face on.
Okay.
And they're normally along the edge, picking around in the mud more than in the, they wouldn't be in the deeper water like the dowitchers.
Okay. I'm just heading out to look for the Sandpiper and the Phalarope again. See if the lights changed or anything else is out here. It's the whole flock.
Not bad with the little Gypsy. It would really help me if you stop pulling. Back. I can't compensate for pulling.
Oh, she's a little wound up, I think.
Well, no, that part's on purpose, so that she doesn't pull out my shoulder.
Yeah, that's the Phalarope again.
I see it there now, I think. Boy, it moves around a bit, doesn't it?
That's the pectoral right there.
Oh, the little one that's, or no, the one that's right there, yeah.
One just in front of that mallard.
Yeah.
In front of that mallard there's a
Yes.
pectoral sandpiper.
Oh, that's the pectoral.
Yeah.
Okay.
For all I know, I've taken a picture of it already. But
Right? They all look the same.
look so similar.
If you get a good shot and you can blow it up, you will see some subtle differences.
Yeah. Here's a good one of his chest. Okay.
Gypsy, come here. Come here.
I guess that's the only way I can get it, is to hold the camera over my head.
Yeah, cool.
That tall.
So Pectoral Sandpiper? Yep. I'll have to remember that. Okay. Cool. That's the green winged teal there too. It's a good shot of that. It's
You
close.
can really see that line across the lower part.
Well, thanks so much for finding the Pectoral Sandpiper for me.
Oh, you want?
I'll have to check. I think that's a lifer for me, so.
This is like this time of year at the marsh for like
Yeah.
the next month. This is a great place to get them.
Yeah.
When it dries up, especially.
Yeah.
They sometimes are on this side, and you can get really close to them. But
There they go.
yeah,
Yeah, I have a last year photo from beginning of August. I think there's more water here now.
yeah.
Oh, that's they just grouped together really tight there. Oh, that's a good comparison at the end. Yeah, there's a chocolate brown one right at the end. On the left side.
Yeah, exactly. Right on the left.
Yeah.
See the difference in color.
That's a good one, yeah. Cool. Oh, well that was freaking epic. That guy was really nice to show me how to ID the Pectoral Sandpiper. And then we saw the short-billed dowitchers, the lifer of the Wilson's Phalarope, and we got to see some of the sandpipers that you'd see in Grand Pré, the semi-palmated, and the least sandpipers as well. So pretty awesome evening down at the marsh. Glad I checked my email when I got home from work. Let's go. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up down below. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more birds. We're in the middle of shorebird season here in Nova Scotia, so I've got more coming. Until next time, stay safe, get outside, and thanks for watching.